Hi everyone, it's Faisal here. So winter is coming, whether we want it or not, it's going to be upon us very soon. With that, we know we could have some problems with our furnace. Many people wait till the last minute to get their furnace and equipment checked, and then they have the coldest night of the year and they need to call their service provider to come in and replace their equipment. Now, the caution I want to put out there is that if you're in the unfortunate state of not having no heat and you do need to get a new furnace, please do not sign a rent-to-own contract, a rental contract for your furnace, because when it comes time to selling your home, you're going to have a great challenge. When they come to sell you this furnace, they're going to sell you the air conditioning unit, the hot water heater, the instant hot water heater, the reverse osmosis system. These are 7-year contracts. They are rent-to-own contracts, or sometimes there's just simply rental contracts. No one wants to assume your contract. The value of these I have seen up to $20,000. So just imagine you're ready to sell your home and they actually put a lien on your home for the amount of the equipment that is there. They'll sell you on the service plan, they'll tell you that it's worry-free living, they'll do any replacements, any repairs at no cost. Well, you're paying a massive cost, and it will be a detriment to you when you want to sell this home. So make sure you read the fine print. The furnace that they sell you on a rent-to-own program will probably end up costing you between $6,000 to $8,000. A new furnace from a reliable service contractor will probably be somewhere between $3,000 to $5,000. Why pay the additional premiums and have a problem at the end? So just be very careful before you sign any rental sales contract.